Hello everyone, I am Luxna. I am a data technology student studying at the College of Dairy Science in Tavasu, Mathura. And this is my Sakhu. Anyway, I have been getting a lot of questions regarding data technology since the UG results are out. And you guys are curious to know more about this field, the scopes, the salary, the pros and cons and everything. And as I promised you guys that I'll be making a detailed video regarding it, here I am, where I've compiled a series of these long videos where I would explain to you in detail कि exactly क्या है data technology और exactly हम क्या करते हैं, क्या scopes हैं और सब कुछ जो कि मुझे पता है in these 1 year of my experience as a data technology student. I'll be sharing that with you guys here. And so I think कि ये series शुरू करने से पहले first my dogs are barking all year. I'm so sorry. I actually have 12 dogs at my home, so थोड़ी बहुत barking के sounds आएंगे. Just ignore that. I don't have a mic right now, so maybe थोड़ा sound का issue हो, but I just hope that you guys understand. Yeah, so I just wanted to share why I chose dairy technology and why not biotechnology, why not fishery science. And maybe this will give you a wider perspective to what field should you choose, and maybe it will help you guys to know me a little bit more. Since I've never formally introduced myself, I did not ever share the story of me getting into dairy technology. When I actually wanted to do was something very different. So yeah, to begin with, I was a PCB student and I never thought I'll be doing engineering after taking PCB. But I don't regret it at all. I'm very happy in this field. I'm very grateful to God, my parents, my professors, and everyone who encouraged me to choose dairy technology. So yeah, when I was preparing for NEET, I was very much clear that I want to be a veterinarian. Yes, I have 12 dogs right now at my home. And in this 20 year of my life, with the help of my parents and brothers, I have adopted, rescued, and nurtured over 20 dogs, few bunnies, and some budgies. I have grown up around animals, and I've always adored animals, and that's how I wanted to spend my life. I've grown around them, so I just wanted to just be around them my entire life, and that's why I chose to be a veterinarian. But due to my own negligence, lack of determination, procrastination, even after 2 years of drop, I could not get very good marks and rank in the NEET examination or the bar. I guess I should probably shoot these videos at the night when my dogs are sleeping. Anyway, yeah, as I was talking about my NEET examination, I couldn't get a rank good enough to get a government veterinary college, and I didn't want to go for private options. And so I thought that if not through VCI counseling, I should get in through a state quota. So I gave this UG examination for the Tavasu, and my rank was 180. It was still far away from getting a seat of, veterinary science, and I could not get it. The last rank I remember it closed at 177, the general EWS seat, it closed at 177, but I wouldn't have gotten the EWS seat too since I don't belong to that category. So yeah, there were no scopes of getting a BBSc seat for myself. I didn't want to take another drop. I mean, it gets exhausting. My counseling day, it was on 23rd of August, which was the second day of counseling. Since first day of counseling, they usually call students up to the rank of 100, 110. So हम second day पे गए थे, and it was raining profusely. To accompany me, both my parents went with me, and our family veterinarian, Dr. Uncle, also went with us. And honestly, he was the first person who convinced me to get into dairy technology. Veterinary uncle, he has a government job in veterinary science. He's a veterinarian. He's been working for a really long time. So yeah, he was the first person who never wanted me to get into veterinary. He was like, "Beta, choose dairy technology." it's a very good field. It's a ever growing field considering कि milk की requirement India में तो कभी नहीं बनने वाली है. India is the largest producer of milk and it is also gonna be the country जहाँ पे milk हर घर में हर दिन use होता है. So it is a ever growing industry and the job stability is really good in this field. The job saturation is less. There are scopes for getting a government job compared to veterinary sciences. So yeah, he was the first person who told me कि बेटा just go for dairy technology. It's a very good field. It has great scopes in future. And it was then when I realized that maybe I should now stop running after things that I'm not even determined enough to chase. And my goal was to be around animals even after being a veterinarian, and I can't do that even as a dairy technologist. So the second best option where I could be around animals was dairy technology. So I chose dairy technology, and by the time my chance came, there were 12 seats for general category which were free. All the 11 seats out of the 12 were filled, and luckily I got the 12th seat. That was the free seat. My rank was 180 and the general category free seats closed at that rank. So I submitted my documents, I went ahead with the fees processing and everything, submitted my fees, and I was officially registered in the College of Dairy Science in the Vasu Mithila. And I guess in the first two counseling itself, maximum seats of our college were filled. There were 40 seats. As 18 students who were up to the rank of 200, they enrolled into this degree program. And after our classes began, there were 2 more counselings conducted, जिसमें हमारी strength 18 से 33 हो गई थी. So yeah, it is a big number. College नया खुल रहा है when we are the founder batch. And there is only a capacity of 40 students, 33 seats भर जा रहे हैं. It is a big thing for a new college. And I won't lie to you guys, for the initial few months I was lost and confused. I was in a stream that was completely different from what I've expected and thought of. And it was very much new to me, so I was confused. कि exactly क्या चल रहा है, क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, इनका क्या purpose है. But now that I've spent the first semester, realized कि यार ये course कितना बढ़िया है. And in the second semester, when you get into dairy technology, when you're learning about how to make cream, how to make ghee, butter, the technology subject, oh my god, you genuinely start enjoying dairy technology. It was during the end of the first semester when I actually saw the beauty of dairy technology, and I was thrilled and I was grateful to be into this course. And yeah, dairy technology chose me when I had nothing. So I'll always be forever grateful to this course, to this college. And to my parents, of course. My parents have always been the greatest support. They have always encouraged me. My parents never blamed me for getting a lower marks, a lower rank. They were always there to support me. They were always people who have believed in me and have always guided and supported me to do well. And yeah, उनके आशीर्वाद से सब अच्छा चल रहा है, भगवान के आशीर्वाद से सब अच्छा चल रहा है. डेयरी टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत ही बढ़िया है, बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़िया फील्ड है. It will diversify your knowledge to extents where you won't even realize कि तुम कितना ज़्यादा चीज़ों में घुस सकते हो. It's not just medicine. It's business, it's entrepreneurship, it's microbiology, chemistry, technology, engineering, everything. It's a combination of everything. And it will boost your skills. In the beauty of dairy technology, we went on trips to dairy industries, we went to dairy farms, we've got really good GPAs, and yeah, it is an amazing field. As much as I respect all the other fields, dairy technology will always stand out to me since it has grown me as a person and it has diversified my knowledge, my skills to an extent where I didn't even know this would happen. And that's how I got into BTech in Dairy Technology at the College of Dairy Science in the Vasu Mithila. And we'll be diving deeper into the field of dairy sciences with the upcoming videos, of course. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in the next video where I talk about what exactly dairy technology is and what are the scopes. I'll see you guys super soon in the next videos. Till then, like, share, comment, subscribe, जो भी करते हैं. Bye. So to say bye bye. Bye bye. Tara guys.